Hi everybody, Andrew Cherin, attorney at law here. I'm a Seattle personal injury lawyer and I represent people who are injured in car accidents. And today I want to talk to you about medical bills and subrogation. A lot of people that have been in car accidents and have injury cases have heard the word subrogation, and a lot of the people that are injured in car accidents have medical bills that are either not paid yet, that are on a lien, or that are in collections possibly as well. So once you get a settlement, that settlement consists of paying back medical bills that you've accumulated throughout the whole process and medical bills that have already been paid. So a lot of the times my clients who've been injured in car accidents have medical bills that have already been paid by their insurance company, whether it's their medical insurance or their car insurance company. They have bills that have already been paid, and you have to pay those back because the settlement consists of repayment to them in addition to payment to you for what you've suffered. So in the court's eyes, it's seen as you recovering twice. So you're recovered once from your own insurance paying for the medical bills, and then twice by the third party defendant's insurance company paying you back again for those same medical bills. So you're going to owe them back some money. But the good thing is, if you hire a personal injury lawyer to represent you, who is licensed to practice in Washington, and that's what I'm talking about is Washington law, then we have the ability to negotiate that amount with the insurance company down a little bit because you hired us to basically collect money for you and then also indirectly for them. So Washington court law has allotted some amount of money or a percentage of money to be discounted back to the insurance companies in a lot of cases, and that number can fluctuate more or less based on the reasonableness and the collection of the amount of money that's owed and what you fully have been compensated for with your injuries and medical treatment, and what that settlement amount was. But we can usually get that amount, whatever's owed and paid by the insurance company, paid back less, which is their subrogation right, which is the money that they've paid out for the insurance claim for you, for medical bills for you, is basically what subrogation is paying them back in that process of it. And so the insurance companies have medical and subrogation teams that will go back towards to me because I represent you to collect that money from whatever's collected out of the settlement to pay for their medical bills, basically what they've paid, and I can get that reduced to a certain extent. Along those same lines, if you have liens or bills that are in collections, those bills can be negotiated down as well, and a trained CL personal injury lawyer will have the ability to do such and get those amounts lower than what's actually collected. Your own medical insurance has a good policies in place and contracts with hospitals and medical providers to pay them back at a much lower rate than what they're billing at. And what is often good is to have the medical insurance companies pay for those bills and then pay the medical insurance company back if you can. A lot of times a lawyer can get you in a position where the medical insurance will cover those injuries and pay those bills, and then subsequently protect you and pay their subrogation rights back at the end. But in the meantime, you may have to wait on those things. But at the end, once all those medical bills are due back, trained Seattle personal injury lawyer can negotiate those bills down and ultimately make it so what your recovery is in the end is a little bit more because of based on what you have to actually pay back out of that settlement amount as far as medical bills go, and to insurance companies to pay them back for what they are owed as well. Um, that's basically the subrogation and medical bills payment kind of discussion. That's the best way kind of how I can describe the process. If you guys want to learn more information on personal injury law, visit my website, www.lawsharing.com. I have a lot of great videos like this. If you have been injured in a car accident in Seattle or in Washington State, give me a call. My number is 206-850-6716. I get free consultations.